Fitted with the characteristic Beretta open slide, the M1934 has a very reliable feeding and extraction cycle. Mechanically, was an improved model of the 1915, with the addition of an external hammer similar to that of the 1923 and 1931 patterns, and a generally cleaner exterior. The elongated slot in the top of the slide acts as the ejection port. It is made with relatively few parts and very simple to maintain. The M1934 is very robust in construction with a long service life if properly maintained. When the empty magazine is removed, it no longer holds the slide back. The slide will come forward and close the gun unless it is held open by application of the safety, a separate operation, and this slows down the reloading of the pistol. Pistols made during the fascist era are marked with their year of manufacture in two forms: the conventional Julian date in Arabic numerals and the date in the fascist era in Roman numerals. The fascist calendar commenced on October 28, 1922, so a pistol from 1937 may carry either 15 or 16 as its fascist year. It was designed and purpose-built for the Italian armed forces and became the official Italian officer's sidearm during World War II. It was also sold on the black market. Pistols taken by the armed forces usually exhibit acceptance marks stamped into the frame on the left, just above the grip: RE, Regio Esercito, for the Army; RM, Regia Marina, for the Navy; or RA, Regia Aeronautica, always in the form of an eagle wearing a royal crown for the Royal Air Force. Police pistols may be marked PS, Pubblica Sicurezza, Public Security. This model was the standard sidearm of the Italian Army between 1934 and 1951 and was a gun used by a Hindu nationalist, Nathan Godse, to kill Mahatma Gandhi in 1948 with the serial number 606824. This model was the standard sidearm of the Italian Army between 1934 and 1951. In 1953, Ian's Fleming first James Bond novel, Casino Royale, the hero carries a Beretta 1934, not a faux 18 as usually says. Serial numbers from around 600 and 3,700 to around 600 and 8,300. Around 1,080,000 were made, and these only 650 fitting with firing pin safety. Designed by Italian engineer Tullio Marangoni, who had a long and successful career, planned almost all of his weapons between 1914 and 1957, and was responsible for establishing the standard for the Beretta 92 and 96 pistols and the Taurus PT-92, in addition to well-conceived sporting pistols. He also designed the Beretta Model 38 submachine gun, classified by specialists as one of the best submachine guns of World War II. Marangoni was so devoted to Beretta that he actually lived near the factory for 24 years until he settled at 76, and he continued to work until his death at the age of 84.